What's up guys, it's Slaughter from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to play retro games online for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to Google and type exactly this, recoded 8080, just like this. Go to this first result. Right here, we're going to be able to find an amazing blog, some nice things to learn from, some nice Easter eggs from games, and go to play retro games, this big button. You can choose your console, okay? So, NES, 64, PlayStation, New, Nintendo, DS, all up to you, okay? If you choose NES, for example, you can choose some game. Let me choose something like this. I think this one seems fancy. Choose your game. There is lots and lots and lots and lots of games for each of the video games you choose. Let's choose this one. You need to click on play now. You're gonna need to download the game on your browser, okay? It's simple, you have no need to leave the window. All you have to do is wait something like 10-20 seconds. Let me remove the sound. You can enable full screen. There is some controls right here that you can explore. For example, command settings that you can learn from, okay? There is option to play, to reset, to save your game. You can choose one player. And it's time to play. In some minutes, the game gonna be ready to play with. Nice, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Remember that if you enjoy, you can always go to another game, choose another console, and have your fun, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.